Hey, third grade. Here's your social studies for today. You've already watched those brain pops, so I wanted to show you our vocabulary. So for our vocabulary, you're going to click on this word wall. It's going to open up Google Slides. Then I want you to hit this triangle on top. This triangle means present. And you're going to hit present on this device. Then, as soon as it loads, it'll open the screen. You're going to click on the subject that you want. So we want social studies, so I'm going to click right here. And here is our social studies vocabulary words. We're not using these ones today. We've already done these. We used these when we talked about community. We're going to start right here. It says citizen, citizenship. So a citizen is a member of a city or town. Everyone is a city of somewhere, or a citizen of somewhere, so you're probably a citizen of Irving, Texas. I, Mrs. Schroyer, am a citizen of Aubrey, Texas. That's where I live. Let's keep going. Civil rights is the rights of a person's liberty, guaranteed to citizens. So this means that we all have rights. We all are guaranteed. We're all guaranteed some things. We're all guaranteed that we can be kept safe. We're all guaranteed that we can vote at a certain age. Lots of civil rights that we have. And we didn't always have all these rights, but certain people like Martin Luther King here have fought for those things. Voting means to express one's opinion in a poll. So sometimes we vote for rewards, we vote for what we're going to do. Sometimes you and your friends can vote on a game. Justice means to do what is right and fair according to the law. Means justice. And civic responsibilities are the duties of a citizen. So what you have to be a good citizen. You have to be respectful, responsible, trustworthy. And our last one is jury, which is the group of people who decide if someone is guilty or not guilty. And we'll get more into that one next time. Now, we're going to take some notes over these things. Oops, we're going to science. We're going to take some notes onto some of these things. So get out your social studies journal, and I will be back in a second. All right, third grade, so I have my social studies journal ready, and I'm going to take some social studies notes. So the first thing you're going to do is put the date on top. You're going to write 9/21/20. And then we're going to title it Vocab. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to put 2 lines across the page. One about right there and one about right there. So do that right now. Just like that. That's what my page looks like. I want to remind you that if you ever need to pause this video to catch up, please do so. All you have to do is pause it and then do what you need to do and then hit play again. So what you're going to do is with your iPad, just like I showed you before, you're going to hit the present button and you're going to hit present on this device. It's not working, so let me try again. I'm gonna try again. Awesome. All right, so we're in social studies. So I'm gonna click on the word social studies, and here is our vocab. But we've already done these. So we need, the first vocab word that we need is citizen/citizenship. So that's what you're going to write on top. You're going to write citizen/citizenship. All right, you see those 2 things right here? All right, so then you're going to read the definition of citizen, a member of a city or town. Everyone is a citizen of somewhere. And then you're going to think about a sentence that uses the word citizen. So a member of a city or town is a citizen. So I am a citizen of Aubrey, Texas. I'm going to write that sentence. I am a citizen. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Citizen of Aubrey, Texas, because that's the city that I live in. And you're going to leave the rest of this space blank for tomorrow. We'll come back to this tomorrow, and you can come up with your own sentence. The next word we're going to do is civil rights. So you're going to write the word civil rights, and you're going to read the definition. The rights of a person's liberty, guaranteed to citizens. And you're going to think of a sentence. Pause this video, think of a sentence, and write it down. The last vocab word that we're going to do for today is civic responsibility. So, a civic responsibility, that's the duties of a citizen. So what you need to do to be a good citizen. So, like taking or picking up trash that you see outside, or voting, being trustworthy. All the things that you do to be a good citizen. You're going to think of a sentence about this civic responsibility. So let me give you an example. One civic responsibility is to vote. And then again, you're going to leave this blank for tomorrow. We're going to do something else with this tomorrow. So you're going to think of 3 sentences that use these words, even if you want to. If you want to, you can go back and highlight if you have a highlighter, or gently color over the vocab word. So citizen, civic responsibility. See how I did that? I used it in a sentence. I didn't write the definition, but I am a citizen of Aubrey, Texas. One civic responsibility is to vote. And you're going to use these definitions in our vocab to make sure that you understand what those words mean. And the Brain Pop explains it too. When you're done, you're going to take a picture and upload it to Schoology. Thanks for listening.